how to find literary resources for your English classes. Go to Okta, then click Online Library. On the library homepage, click the green Databases tab. At the top of the page, type Gale Literature Criticism and click Search. Gale Literature Criticism is a great database for English papers. You can search by author or by a specific work. Today, I'm using The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. Your results are grouped by category. Literary criticism includes articles that analyze the poem. Biographies focus on the author and what influenced their writing. Topic and work overviews are often book reviews. Do not use book reviews in your paper. Under literary criticism, you'll find longer critical essays. When you open an article, tools on the left let you search within the text, translate it, adjust the font size, or listen to the audio. In the top right, you can get the citation, email the article, save it to Google Drive or OneDrive, or download it. If you're in the library, printing is free. I hope this overview of Gale Literature Criticism was helpful. If you have questions, please contact us. We're here to help.